Hello and welcome to another video with the Bearded Tech Guy. In this video, we will be taking a look at the Echo Glow. The Echo Glow is a smart lamp targeted for kids that can be paired with any compatible Amazon Echo device to be able to control the color and brightness with your voice. While Amazon has marketed the Glow as a product for kids, I don't think there really is an upper age limit on who can use or want to use the Echo Glow. You'll notice a familiar shape now that Amazon has released its newest version of their voice assistant with the new Echo and Echo Dot. The Echo Glow can go up to 100 lumens and 2600 Kelvin, as well as has RGB color LEDs. The Echo Glow has a fixed power cable, which I personally am not a fan of, but does have a decent cable length, and it does also come with a USB power supply. I'd also like to point out that the Glow should only be used in dry locations as stated on the bottom of the lamp. At a list price of $30 USD, the Glow is a great little color changing light that can be easily added into your automation routines with Amazon's voice assistant. You can also find a few bundles that include an Echo Dot and Echo Glow at a lower price. I also imagine it will be on sale for this year's upcoming Prime Day. I'll have links in the description below for both the Echo Glow as well as the bundles available. While you can technically use the Echo Glow without the app after it's set up by pressing the button on the back to turn it on and off, as well as tapping the globe to change the colors, you won't get full functionality without using the Amazon Assistant app or through an Amazon Echo directly. To set up the Echo Glow, open up the Amazon app. From the main menu, click on Devices in the bottom right hand side of the screen. Next, click on the plus sign at the top. On the new screen that opens up, click on Amazon Echo. Then scroll down until you see Echo Glow and click on it. Click on Next to accept the terms and conditions of use. If you are on Android, you will be asked for permission to access your camera, Bluetooth, and location in order to set up the Echo Glow. If the app doesn't already have the permissions it needs, you will get pop-ups asking for it. With all of the required permissions granted, you will next click on the Scan Barcode button to open the camera for scanning the barcode on the bottom of the Echo Glow. It is also printed on the Quick Start Guide that is included in the box. After the barcode is scanned, your phone will connect to the Echo Glow over Bluetooth to provision it. This will include configuring it to connect to your wireless network. Do take note that the Echo Glow only supports 2.4 GHz networks. It cannot connect to 5 GHz wireless networks. Once connected, the app will indicate that the Echo Glow is connected to your network but requires further setup. So click on Next. Here you will have the option to add it to any groups you already have created or to create a new one. You can also skip if you'd like. If you want to add the Glow to a group, select the group you want to add it to and click on Add to Group. You will see a confirmation that the Glow was added to a group, so click on Continue to move forward. Next, we will name the Glow. After, you'll have to grant parental consent for the Glow to work with Amazon Assistant. This is the case even if you don't have children in your home. To do this, click on Continue, and then you will be prompted for providing consent. Click on Continue again. You will then need to log into your Amazon account. The reason for this requirement is because the product is marketed towards kids, which again I don't think I agree with, as there are a lot of good use cases for adults to use it, such as using it as a notification hub using routines. After you are fully logged in, you'll have to actually accept the terms. Once accepted, your Echo Glow is set up. From the Amazon app, you can turn the Glow on or off, change the brightness, change the color, or set a special lighting mode. Some of the modes include Color Flow, Disco, Fire Truck, and even Campfire. Depending on the mode, the Echo Glow will change colors sporadically or based on a set timing. Just like in the app, you can control the Echo Glow with your voice on any of your Amazon Echo devices. Let's now take a look at using the Echo Glow in a routine. You can add a routine right from the bottom of the page for the Echo Glow itself by clicking on Create a Routine. For this example, we will create a new routine by clicking on the plus sign at the top of the page. First, we will give the routine a name. With our name entered, click on Next to go back to the previous screen. Next, we will add in what triggers this routine by clicking on when this happens. For this routine, it will be triggered anytime I say it's disco time. You can have other triggers such as time of day, an event occurring, or a few other options. We will add this trigger by clicking on Voice. On the screen that opens up, enter in your phrase. Once it's entered, click on Next. Next will be to add our action. For this action, we are going to have our Amazon Assistant speak, We are going to set the Echo Glow to disco mode, and our Echo will also play some disco music. First we will click on Says at the top. You can have your Echo say a bunch of different canned responses, but for our routine we are going to click on Customized. On the new screen, we will enter in what we want the Amazon Assistant to say. And then click on Next when done. Click on Next again to go back to the action setting. Click on the plus sign next to Add Action, to add additional actions. Next scroll down to Music and click on it. Here I'm just going to type in Disco, and for the provider I will select Amazon Music. You can also select a timer here if you'd like. Once your music settings are good, you can click on Next. We will then click on the plus sign one more time and add in the final action. This time we will scroll down to Smart Home and click on it. On the new screen that opens, we will click on Lights and then select the Echo Glow, and then click on Next. Here we can control all the settings for the Echo Glow. We can turn it on or off, set the brightness, set a mode, change the color, and even enable or disable the tap functionality of the light. For this routine, we will turn the Echo Glow on. We will set the brightness to 100%, and we will set the mode to disco. With the glow action set, click on Next. Finally, because we are going to be having a device speak and play audio, we need to scroll to the bottom to choose the device these actions will occur on. You are able to select specific devices, or you can set it to be run on whichever device triggers the routine. For this example, I'm going to pick the device you speak to. With the routine done, we can click on Save at the top right hand corner. You will be presented with a confirmation pop-up stating the routine may take a few minutes to be synced across your devices. With the routine created and a few minutes passed since we've saved it, let's test it out. It's disco time.
Let's get down to business. The station, Disco Fever, on Amazon Music.
Great, so we were able to successfully add the Echo Glow to our Amazon Smart Home and use it in a routine. As I've said before, I think Amazon having such a hard push for this being geared for kids specifically was a poor choice. You can use one or multiple for accent lighting as part of a home automation where you might not want to have a smart light bulb. It also fits in well on a desk and can be used as a notification center where different colors mean different things. You can also use as a wake-up timer if you want a gentle light next to your bed to wake you up instead of a harsh alarm. I do think that it would be nice to see the RGB lighting from the Glow combined with the new Echo Dot in some fashion, as having one device instead of two would be more ideal. I'd love to know your thoughts on the Echo Glow, along with any ideas you might have for using it, so let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up as it helps out the channel immensely. If you'd like to know when I release new videos around different types of smart home automations, tech, and gadgets, make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications to be one of the first to know when I release a new video. Thank you for watching.